Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start with AWS. First, create your AWS account, ensuring you use a strong password and enable multi-factor authentication for security. Next, explore the AWS free tier, which allows you to experiment with many services for free, helping you understand their capabilities without immediate financial commitment. Finally, take some time to navigate the AWS Management Console, as it's your primary interface for managing all your cloud resources. To build effectively, grasp core AWS concepts. Learn about regions and availability zones, which are crucial for designing highly available and fault-tolerant applications. Dive into essential services such as EC2 for virtual servers, S3 for object storage, and VPC for your private network in the cloud. Also, dedicate time to understanding identity and access management, or IAM, to securely control who can access your AWS resources and what actions they can perform. Practical experience is vital for mastering AWS. Start by following official AWS tutorials and documentation. They provide step-by-step guides for various services. Then, challenge yourself by building small, personal projects, like hosting a simple website or setting up a basic data pipeline to apply your knowledge directly. Finally, consider pursuing an AWS certification, such as the Cloud Practitioner, to validate your foundational understanding and boost your career. As you continue your AWS journey, engage with the vibrant AWS community through forums and user groups. It's a fantastic resource for support and shared learning. Always stay updated with new AWS services and features as the platform evolves rapidly. And hey, while you're learning, remember to stay hydrated. You can find a link to the Owala water bottle, along with other great deals, in the description below. Keep exploring and building.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.